Money, no issue. What's up guys, Kurt here from Third Island Productions, and today we're doing the top tier drum recording. As you can see, we're back at the Old Dominion University recording studio. Today we're working with ODU's DW drum kit, a nice tuned drum room, and a nice selection of microphones. Like I said, money's no issue today for this video, so we're going to be working with some expensive equipment. First up, we're replacing our overheads with some Neumann U87s. We're clocking in at $3,500 a piece, and that's a pretty big jump already. Kick drum, we're going to be using the Audix D6, the exact same microphone we use in the mid-tier video. And for the kick out, we're going to be using a KSM 44A. For the snare, we still have our i5 and SM57 combo, but for the toms, we're going to be using a Sennheiser 421. For our hi-hat, we used the Shure KSM 141. And finally, we used a pair of AKG 451s for our room mics. We have a pair in ORTF configuration pointing at the drum kit. And they're a good 6 feet away, social distancing like they should. And finally, everything is being ran through the SSL AWS-24. So that puts the total at this number. I'm gonna let Jeff do it because I don't feel like doing that math right now. And the most priceless factor in this equation is that I have my buddy Kyle coming in to record drums, and he's an actual drummer. Let's hear how good this expensive setup sounds. Wow, those drums sounded pretty nice, but so did the mid-tier, and so did the low-tier drums. The point of this whole video is to show you that you don't need $1 million to get a good drum recording. With the right tools and the right know-how, you can get your mid-tier and your low-tier drums sounding just as good as the high-tier drums. So stay tuned for more videos where we talk about those tools and that know-how. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you want to see the next one, click right here. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the little bell for notifications. Down below in our description, you'll see a link to our website and our socials. Thank you guys. Have an awesome one.